Our topic is development of a mobile-based student ID verification system for school security. In the modern world, student safety and security in educational institutions are of utmost importance. Once seen as havens for education, schools are now regrettably dealing with a rise in violent threats, illegal entry, and security lapses. The pressing need to establish safer learning settings where students can flourish fearlessly is often brought to our attention by news headlines. As a result, maintaining a safe campus is an essential. These contemporary security issues are making traditional student identification techniques, which must rely on physical ID cards and facial recognition, ineffective. Physical identification cards are unreliable because they are readily misplaced, stolen, or counterfeited. Particularly in large crowded classroom environments, visual identification is frequently subjective and prone to inaccuracy. This restriction put the safety and well-being of the entire school community at risk by creating weakness that could be taken. Thankfully, there is a potential path to improve school security because to the quick development and broad use of mobile technology. Students now almost always have smartphones and they can do so much more than just communicate. School can adopt more effective and reliable security measures by utilizing this technology, abandoning antique procedures in favor of creative fixes.
Hello ma'am, good morning. I am Emily E. Rivera and I've been reporting the conceptual framework and the statement of the problem. Conceptual framework. This framework envisions a system where mobile technology enhances school security by providing a reliable and efficient way to verify student identities. Number one is core goal: enhance school security, to create a safer school environment by accurately verifying the identity of individuals on campus and preventing unauthorized access. So, the number two is key stakeholders: students, school administrators, security personnel, parents, guardians, IT department, and the last one is system components, mobile application, and student facing. So, mag-move na tayo sa statement of the problem. Problem statement: conventional security systems in school, usually based on physical ID cards, have several challenges. So, we have failure and fraud, limited verification capabilities, inefficient attendance tracking, lack of accessibility. Proceed to significance of the problem. Number 1, enhance security and access control, restricted and authorized access. Number 2, real-time monitoring. Number 3, streamline processes and efficiency, reduce administrative burden. So number 4 is modernization and technology adoption, future-proofing. So the last one is number 5, secure data storage.
Hello ma'am, I am Vergara Mahilta and this is my report. Scope and limitations. Student identification and verification. Mobile app for student and displaying a digital ID, QR code, barcode, and dynamical generated code. Verification app for security personnel or staff using mobile device or identified scanners. Integrations with the school student information system SIS to access the verify student data. Support for multiple verification method, e.g. QR code, facial recognition. Access control. Integration with physical access point, e.g. door, gate via electronic loop or term tiles, real-time monitoring of entry and exit event, customizable access permission based on student role, e.g. student, faculty, staff, attendance tracking, automated attendance recording upon entry to a specific location, e.g. classroom labs, generations of attendance report for teachers and administrators. Emergency features. Emergency notification to student and staff via the mobile app. Emergency contact information readily available in the app. Administration and management. Web-based portal and administrator to manage student data access, permission, and system setting. Reporting and analytics dashboard to monitoring system use and security event. Platform support. Native mobile app for iOS, Android. Scalability. The system should be able to handle a growing number of students, staff, and access points without performance and degradation. Data security. The system will adhere to industry best practice for data security and privacy, ensuring compliance with relevant regulations, e.g. FERPE. Limitation. Technique dependence. Using adoptions. Technical literacy for users. Security vulnerabilities. Risk of facing attack, targeting student or staff or obtain their login credentials. Costs, ongoing maintenance and support costs. Integration challenge. Privacy concerns. Limited functionality. Environmental factors. Signal strength limitation in certain areas of the school. Importance consideration. Time constraints. Regulatory requirements. Objectives. To overcome the drawback of environmental identification techniques and greatly enhance school security, this study investigate the creations and deployment of mobile-based student ID verification system to improve the general safety of the learning environment, manage access to school facilities, and give a quick, easy, and safe means of confirming students' identities to help make the student for a safer and more security by turning a student smartphone into a security digital ID. Methodology. Research design. Descriptive quantitative approach will be used as a research design. This aims to describe a population situations of phenomenon accurately and systematically to drive the information about the development of a mobile-based student ID verification system for school security. Software development methodology. This study will follow the Agile methodology for enhancing a mobile-based student ID verification system for school security. Where area it is a ways strategy to implement as the caters flexibility and interactive development and adapts to involving requirements. It is also a secure and users-friendly system. The Agile methodology was introduced by a group of 17 software developers in 2001, including Kent Beck, Mike Bedell, and Ari Avan, Benicum, Alice Cockburn, and others who collectively created and manifesto for Agile software development. Agile methodology is crucial for developing a student ID verification system because its software flexibility allow and prepare adaptation to evolving needs and promote continuous improvement through iterative development and request feedback loops. Agile methodology. The Agile methodology model for the development of mobile-based student ID verification system for school security. Number 1. Initiate project define requirements. 2. Developments 1, 2, and 3. Number 3. Release. Number 4. Accept. Number 5. Deployment to customers.
Hardware and software requirements. Hardware requirement. RFID readers. Type. Consider both desktop and handheld RFID readers for various verification scenarios. Examples given: library check-in, cafeteria access. Quantity. Determine the number of readers based on the number of verification points and expected user traffic. Communication. Ensure readers can communicate with the central system. Examples given: via USB, Wi-Fi, Ethernet. Computers or tablets. Functionality. These devices will host the verification software and display student ID information. Type. Choose between desktop computers for dedicated verification stations or tablets for mobile verifications. Connectivity. Ensure devices have reliable internet access for database communication. Student ID cards. Type. Utilize RFID-enabled student ID cards for easy verification. Security. Implement security features on the cards to prevent unauthorized access. Optional hardware. Printers for generating or printing temporary IDs. Barcode scanners for verifying IDs with barcodes. Cameras for capturing student images for ID verification. Software requirements. Database management system. Functionality. Store and manage student ID data including name, ID number, and associated information. Type. Consider using a relational database system. Example given: MySQL, PostgreSQL, or a NoSQL database. Example given: MongoDB, depending on the data structure and scalability need. User interface. Functionality. Develop a user-friendly interface for verifying student IDs and displaying information. Platform. Design UI for desktop application or mobile apps. Features include features like ID scanning, data display, and verification status. Mobile app. Functionality. Allow students to access their ID information and verification status to a mobile app. Platform. Develop apps for both Android and iOS platforms. System integration. Functionality. Integrate the verification system with other school systems. Example given as attendance and library. Data exchange. Establish secure data exchange protocols. Security. Data protection. Implement measures to protect student data from unauthorized access. Access control. Implement role-based access control to restrict access to sensitive data. Respondents of study. The respondents of the study will be presented here using a table. The significant role of each group of respondents should be discussed first before presenting the table. Ethical considerations such as confidentiality must be explained to the respondents. Respondents' frequency percentage. Group 1, 50% Group 2, 50%, total of 100. Instrumentation. Number 1, interview. Thematic analysis. Number 2, questionnaire. Quantitative questionnaire. Rankings, range, verbal interpretation. Rankings 1 to 1.80. Strongly agree, very satisfied. Rankings 2, 1.81 to 2.60, agree, satisfied. Rankings 3, 2.61 to 3.40, neutral. Rankings 4, 3.41 to 4.20, disagree, unsatisfied. Rankings 5, 4.21 to 5, strongly disagree, very unsatisfied.
Result and discussion. Respondent evaluation of the system usability. To access the system usability, 30 respondents participated in the evaluation. This include 10 security staff, 10 teaching personnel, and 10 student representative. Each group used the system and actual condition during student entry, exit, and class hour to provide authentic feedback based on real-time use. These results reflect the users strongly agree with the functionality and usability of the developed system. The highest rated criterion was ease of use 4.72, which indicate that the system is simple to navigate and does not require extensive training or technical background. Security 4.70 also received a high rating, demonstrating confidence in the system ability to restrict, unauthorize access, and verify student identities. All-through interface design 4.60 was the lowest among the score. It is still filled within the very satisfactory range. This suggests with while the system is functional and easy to use, improvement in visual layout and user interface could further enhance end user experience. Comparison between manual and mobile-based verification. To further determine the system impact, a comparative analysis was conducted between rational, manual ID checking method and the new mobile-based system. Time trial were performed to record the duration needed to verify student identify using both approaches. Observation and technical performance. In addition to respond feedback, technical performance was observed during implementation trials. The system successfully deleted invalid IDs, flushed duplicate entries, and logged all scanned in centralized system. The ability to generate real-time log provide beneficial and security staff monitoring school entry-exit pattern. Furthermore, the system maintained consistent connectivity and responsiveness within the school Wi-Fi range. Battery usage on the mobile devices was within expected levels, with a full day of use requiring less than 30% battery drain, making it practical for daily use. Summary of findings. Number 1, usability. User finds the system very easy to use. Even first-time user will able to scan and verify ID with minimal instruction. Number 2, efficiently the system reduce verification time significant and minimize at the school gate and checkpoint. Number 3, security enhancement. The automated system eliminated unitized access to ID forgery of information. Number 4, system reliability. The system showed consistent perform in different testing environment. Number 5, areas for improvement recommendation include enhance the visual design of the app interface and expanding compatibility with other school systems. Conclusion: the finding confirmed that the mobile-based student ID verification system is an effective solution to address security concern in school. It improves verification accuracy, introduces human error, and strengthens campus monitoring. The research questions were satisfactorily answered, showing that the system is not only functional but also practical for everyday use in school environment. In conclusion, the development of a mobile-based student ID verification system contributes significantly in improving school security. The research has demonstrated that such a system is both feasible and effective in a real-world school environment. Its implementation not only enhanced security but also introduced a modern digital approach to student-managed future development and studies can build upon this function to create even more robust school security solutions. Recommendation for practice. Number 1, school-wide implementation. Schools should adopt the mobile-based system as part of their official security protocols to streamline ID verification. Number 2, staff training. Proper training should be provided to personnel to ensure the system is used effectively and consistently. Number 3, integration with other systems. The system can be integrated with attendance monitoring, library access, and gate pass system for border utility. Number 4, regular maintenance. Regular update and technical support should be maintained to ensure system reliability. Recommendation for research. Number 1, expand to other school. Future studies should test the system in different school settings such as universities and rural schools to evaluate its scalability. Number 2, compare verification method. Research comparing biometric verification or RFID-based system with mobile QR scanning could identify the most effective approach. Number 3, user behavior analysis. Additional research on how does school staff interact with mobile verification can help optimize user experience and compliance. Number 4, security enhancement. Further studies can explore integration for encryption and other cybersecurity features